Alright guys, this is the second part of the video right here. As I was saying, I took apart my OEM Type S navigation display. The circuit board that goes over here is now attached in the back of the Android unit. You know, I kept the metal plate so make it easier, and then I rerouted some of the cables. Forgive my appearance over there. I had to cut and paste and, you know, testing wires back and forth with Navitech technical support. But I think this is a temporary easy fix. I think this is for me only. It's pretty annoying, you know, not knowing how to set up your AC buttons. So without further ado, you can see that the screen is on. It works. All right, and the little demonstration, forgive me, I only got two hands, so you can see AC on, off, on, off, fans. Oh, forgive me. There you go. Now the only thing of having it this way is that now you won't have an actual time on this clock, but hey, whatever, I got the right time right over here. Okay, so I mean, you win some, lose some, I guess, until the issues are figured out. But I think I'm 90% sure is the way they wire their equipment. There's something in there. I'm trying to get them to give me their pin definitions for their system. Obviously, is a lot easier said than done, because they're a little bit reluctant to give me that information, because they don't think it's their wiring. But just the fact that I'm using the OEM back again, making sure that everything is correct. So one of the issues that I don't like over here is this portion right here, all lights are blue. The screen does give you an option of let me see if I find it. I think it's called lantern. Yeah, lantern set it blue right here. It gives you an option to change color. However, if you click anything other than blue and confirm, it still stays blue. It doesn't allow you to change this. I think it's something on the developer portion. It is a little bit touchy when over here, you know. But other than that, you know, guys, another thing is this right here. You know, I wish that they would give you the option to change from kilometers to miles. It actually works. It's not just for the looks, this icon over here. It actually works. All right, so if you have any questions, hey, contact me on ACURA or whatnot. And, you know, Dave out there, if you know who you are, man, I've been trying to get a hold of you, bro. Hey, holler at me, man. All right, you all have a good one, man. And let me go ahead and make sure you guys can see. Let me start up the car as well. So there you go.